Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets. And my friends, we are in a bear market. We are officially in the bear market, so you can see it here. This is the Nasdaq 100, of course, but we can also check out the S&P 500. Looks also terrible, and I think this is the Dow Jones. Yes, the Dow Jones is a little bit less terrible, but was also not gaining so much. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor. This is for information and especially entertainment purposes only, and I'm also making this video actually at this point in time by 11,088 of the Nasdaq, and the closing is in 5 minutes. I'm making this video to give you some motivation, guys. I know the last days were terrible, the last weeks and month are terrible, so I know this, guy. So but you know what I did? I just bought 3 more stocks. So I was buying more stocks by stocks that I hold. For example, I'm holding Amazon. What was I doing? I bought a little bit more Amazon. I'm also holding the stock Palantir. I was buying more Palantir. I'm also holding the stock Peloton, and I was buying more Peloton. And actually everyone would say, no, are you crazy? Peloton goes to 0 and you will lose all your money. Well, I'm willing to take this bet because, guys, it's all risk. It's all risk, but in this situation where in the institutional investors say, oh, we have to go in risk off mode, or we have to invest now all our money in something else, because now the Fed was hiking 0.75% the rates. So, and then we're going in the direction of 4% rates. Or 3.5%. No one knows at this point, but I mean, come on, this is not how you can. This is not how it works. So if someone says now or tells you no, don't buy any stocks. Don't buy any stocks. We are in the bear market. You shouldn't buy stocks. Yeah, guys, when do you want to buy stocks? I mean, look at here. This is the Nasdaq 100. So everyone was telling you probably at this point in September 2020, everyone was telling to each other, let's buy more stocks. Let's buy more stocks. This is where we are now, guys. This is where we are now. So when you were buying stocks in September 2020, high-tech stocks, and then you can also buy high-tech stocks now, because some of those high-tech stocks actually lost even more. I mean, we just need to look at, for example, at a Netflix. I'm invested also in Netflix. Actually, I'm going to buy some more Netflix at one point. So I even see that the Netflix is trading not so bad. So it's only almost 4% down, but it's not like 10% down. So yes, Netflix looks terrible, and probably, every person that started investing in Netflix after July 2017 is in a minus, and I have to laugh, guys, because it's crazy. I mean, they really slaughtered the Netflix stocks, and this went so quickly. This went like in 4 months, it fell from $700 to my God, only $170. So, but is it over for Netflix? The chart looks not good, but Netflix was totally overvalued, so it was clear that it comes back at one point. So I did buy Netflix on this way up here. I always thought like this is way too expensive. So what I did, I bought Netflix and that here at the point of I think 300, and of course then I was getting punished again on the drop of 50% down. So what I want to say is you can buy stocks. So let's put it like this: you should always buy stocks. Always buy stocks. Buy stocks when they go up, buy stocks when they go down, because you have no impact on the market situation. So everyone telling you now, oh, we going to see even worse times. So I was talking today with some friends that are also investing. So one of my friends said, yeah, well, he works in a financial institution, and they some of the analysts telling them, oh yeah, wait. So but I didn't want to be blunt to him, but I thought like, why are they telling him to wait? I mean, what is happening now in September? What is changing? What is changing so massively in September? Yes, we will have another rate hike, probably. I mean, I'm not working at the Fed. And yes, we might fall into a recession. All of this is possible, guys. All of this is possible. But what is really so much changing now? I mean, when you're afraid now, okay, I agree. So probably someone tells himself now, so I'm waiting until it drops now to, let's say, to 10,000. So we had 11,000 and the Nasdaq. So I'm waiting that the Nasdaq drops to 10,000. Okay, I mean, that's almost 10% more. And then a lot of individual stocks might also fall massively, especially Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. So the heat map, let's go to the heat map. Oh, we have some publicity here. How is this coming here, actually? So all of this is possible, my friends. All of this is possible. So guys, all of this is possible. But I mean, you don't have a crystal ball. It can also snap back. I mean, I'm also saying this, it can snap back since the whole way down. I mean, obviously. So obviously this was the bubble here. Corona was the bubble and everything before was just fine. And Corona was the bubble. I mean, everyone always asking, you know, when is the bubble coming? So people expected actually another leg up. So, but yeah, the same how people expected another leg up here. And Nasdaq going to 19,000. They're expecting now Nasdaq going to 10,000, but no one can tell you. I mean, no one can tell you. So this is the heat map. It looks terrible. It's a bloodbath. It's a field of red roses, as you can say. And yeah, lucky those that are in Oracle, lucky those that are in Walmart. I'm invested in both companies. But yeah, if you're in Apple and you always thought like, oh, Apple is a stable stock, I like Apple. Amazon, no, that's a no-brainer. Google. Yeah, Facebook is a little bit less popular actually with the investment community. But Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, people think they are no-brainers. And if you're in Tesla, probably you made a lot of money over the time, but also Tesla obviously got punished, and NVIDIA as well. So people think those stocks are no-brainer, but now also an Apple is dropping now, guys. I mean, it can happen with every stock, my friends. It can happen with every stock. So here we go. That's Apple. I mean, if I'm looking now actually at Apple, I have the impression, I mean, it dropped already from 180 to 130, but I have the impression there's a lot of more way down. So, and if Apple drops even more, then of course the market will go down more. But I personally, I just buy more on the way down. I mean, as I was buying on the way up, I'm buying on the way down. I cannot time the market. I cannot tell you, okay, I'm waiting and it drops and then it goes up again. And then I think like, oh yeah, now it's fine. Now I buy, then I buy, and then it drops more. I mean, this can all can happen. So I can't tell you. I mean, here I thought like, oh yeah, probably look at this chart. So that's a typical situation. So it drops, everyone buys up here. Oh, and this drops again. Everyone buys up here. Now it drops again, and probably no one is buying now. So most retail investors are out now. Only institutions buy on the basis of probably fundamentals or just because they have a long-term perspective. I mean, I have to tell you one thing, guys. So I have a very long-term perspective. So I'm not just someone that is investing now for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Not even this. I mean, I built myself a huge stock portfolio. So I have ETFs. I have all different sectors. So I'm building a huge stock portfolio. I do not only have gaming stock, of course, and I'm diversified. I'm trying to get a little bit more diversified. This is now even more difficult since actually tech was falling a lot. So I'm buying again more tech, but actually I wanted to buy more non-tech. Yeah, that's the biggest problem actually. So, but non-tech didn't fall so much. So then I'm always trying to buy the cheap stuff. So what is falling a lot. So, but probably that's also a mistake, guys. So therefore I would say, so I'm leaving, I'm closing down this video here. So I hope you enjoyed this. So keep up the motivation. Don't listen to any YouTubers. Don't even listen to me, of course. Don't. I mean, who am I? So, but listen to your gut feeling. If you don't feel well buying now, of course, then don't do it. I mean, keep your money for yourself. Buy yourself a nice little cashmere pullover or something else, as one famous person once said. So if you know who said this, write it down below in the commentary section. So, and just enjoy life. I mean, summer is coming now, guys. Summer is coming. So, I mean, for the next 3 months, we should not even look into our portfolio if we do not intend to buy or sell something. But if you intend to buy and sell something, of course, you have to look into your portfolio, especially if you want to buy something. Do you want to really sell now? I mean, guys, I mean, why would you sell now? Everything we see now is low volume and mostly short sellers and retail investors going short. I see it in all those stock investment groups. So retail investors go short now, but they get burned badly. I can tell you, they get burned badly. It always happens. It has always happened. It will always happen, guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.